Hello, good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So let us start with uh, another algorithm in gameplay. Last topic in Unit 6, that is SSS star algorithm. Today I am going to introduce you what this algorithm is, how it functions, the basic mechanism of SSS star algorithm, and in next lecture we will discuss this algorithm in detail. This algorithm, SS star algorithm, is one of the improvement in the algorithm that just now we have discussed, that is alpha beta algorithm. The main problem with alpha beta algorithm is that we know that algorithm is sensitive in which the moves are generated. Uh, that you will find out if you consider a particular game tree, and if you change the order in which that moves are generated, you will find out number of nodes that has to be evaluated, that will change. So take this for the homework, that uh, let us find out why this alpha beta cutoff algorithm, or prove that this alpha beta cutoff algorithm is sensitive to the order in which the moves are generated. So you will find out that algorithm is sensitive to the order in which the moves are generated. This is because it always searches the game tree from left to right in an uninformed manner. So that, like in blind search techniques, we do the same thing, and we move from left part of your game tree to the right part. And an algorithm which searches the game tree guided by heuristic information is called as this SSS star algorithm, and it was developed by Stockman. Okay, so basically you will find out this algorithm, SS star algorithm, is a search algorithm that was introduced by Stockman in 1979, and it also conducts a state space search traversing that game tree in best first fashion. That is the difference. We don't do that in alpha beta cutoff algorithm. We move from left to the right blindly, or either from right to the left blindly. If you move from left to the right and from right to the left, you will find out the efficiencies will be different. Number of nodes that you will have to evaluate, that will be different. So that's how algorithm is sensitive, as I said. The difference is, it this SS star algorithm is like your best first algorithm, and similar to that of A star search algorithm, okay, or AO star search algorithm, which we have discussed earlier. That major difference between this SS star algorithm and alpha beta cutoff algorithm lies in that algorithm SSS star is based on notion of solution trees, and we call them strategies. That was not the case in case of alpha beta cutoff algorithm. In alpha beta cutoff algorithm, we used to ultimately reach to the terminal nodes. Okay, that is not the case out here. Here we will be working on strategies or solution trees, complete solution trees. The basic idea behind this SS star is same high notion of heuristic search that we have been pursuing in earlier algorithms. That is, refine the best looking partial solution till the best looking partial solution is fully refined. Okay. So informally, a solution tree can be formed from any arbitrary game tree. We will first understand what the strategy is. So what we do, we have a game tree, and what we do in that game tree, uh, we prune the number of branches at each max node to 1, and that tree will represent a complete strategy for the max. Again, I will repeat this because this concept is very important in SSS star algorithm. That is the concept of solution tree or strategy. What is a strategy? You can define a strategy in a game tree by pruning number of branches at each max node to 1. Max node may have more than one branch going from it. So you prune that to 1. So that represents a complete strategy for max. Since it specifies exactly one max action for every possible sequence of moves made by the opponent, that is mean player. So whatever move max makes, then mean have different alternatives. Mean will choose the optimal move from that, then max will have answer to that particular move. So in this way, the tree generated, we are going to call that tree as a solution tree or strategy. I will give you examples how to generate the strategy or solution tree. So let us first understand the basic mechanism. We have given a game tree. This SSS star algorithm searches through the space of partial solution trees, and then it goes on refining these partial solution trees, gradually analyzing larger and larger subtrees. Eventually that will produce a single solution tree with same root and minimax value as that of original goal tree. So that will be the solution. You will find out this SSS star never examines a node that alpha beta pruning would prune. That means it is as good as that of alpha beta cutoff. Even it will have better efficiency as compared to alpha beta cutoff. So therefore we are saying that it will never examine a node that alpha beta cutoff algorithm would have pruned, and may prune some branches that alpha beta would not. So it can be more efficient than your alpha beta cutoff algorithm. At that time, you will find out in the literature that Stockman speculated that SSS star may therefore be better general algorithm than alpha beta cutoff. But later on you will find out this SSS star not much has been used because of the complexity involved in implementation of this algorithm. But theoretically it is better than alpha beta cutoff algorithm. Therefore, we can say that this SSS star search in space of strategies, not nodes. Okay. So, how to define the strategy? Let us come to that. Strategy S for a max node is if max make a move, then whatever move mean makes, max has an answer. Thus, this max player will perform a look ahead. This is very important. That will give an idea how to define the strategy in this SSS star algorithm, which is the heart of this algorithm. Strategy or solution tree. A strategy S for max is what that strategy is. If max make a particular move, whatever move mean will make, max will have an answer. Okay, that's how max will perform a look ahead. For example, go down. For example, come to this game tree. Now max has these two options. Out of that, this suppose red color option max has selected. Then there will be a means turn. Mean suppose has two options. Okay, so mean suppose has selected this option, then max will select the best one. Suppose this left one, then mean will again have two different options. So what is a strategy? If max selects a particular option, for example this left hand side, whatever move this mean will make, max has an answer. So if mean makes this move, max will make this move. Okay. If mean makes this move, right hand side move, then max will have an answer what to do. So that is what a strategy is. So here this red color subtree defines the strategy S1. Okay. Go back. A strategy, therefore we are saying strategy for a max is, if a max makes a particular move, whatever move mean makes, max has an answer. For same game tree, instead of this, you can have this strategy. If max makes this move, which is shown on the right hand side, whatever move this mean makes, either left hand side or right hand side, max will have an answer. Okay, so either left or right, the optimal move max will select out of these two. If mean max move which is shown on the right hand side, then max has two options. Out of that, max will select one of the best. Okay, so ultimately similar to the strategy S1, you can have a strategy S2 which is shown on the right hand side of this game tree. So you can have other strategies similarly defined. Therefore, we are saying strategy is, if max make a particular move, whatever move mean, that means opponent is going to make, max will have an answer. So that is how you are going to perform look ahead in this SSS star algorithm. So little bit complex algorithm as compared to alpha beta cutoff algorithm, but you will find out the number of nodes this SSS star evaluates, that is of course better than that of alpha beta cutoff algorithm. So we are running out of time. We will stop here today. We will continue our discussion on this SSS star algorithm in the next class. And if you have any difficulty, before starting next lecture, we will discuss your difficulty in alpha beta cutoff algorithm, and then we will move further on this SSS star algorithm. So in next lecture we will finish our discussion on SSS star algorithm, and we will start our unit on mathematical logic, knowledge representation by using predicate logic, second last unit, which is required for understanding our planning unit, last unit in your syllabus. Okay, and one more instruction. So we will stop here. I have to give you one instruction.